biggest sacrifice that you had underestimated being an entrepreneur? I know mine, but
this
what's
is
yours?
so cliche, so I apologize, guys. Like
Be
every one of
cliche.
these.
Okay.
But honestly, repetition is the soul of memory. But if you want to be a good entrepreneur, I learned this like 5 or 6 years ago. You have to be so clear on how you spend your time, and your time really is your most valuable resource. And I mean, I manage my day down to the 5 or 6 minute interval, right? It's okay, I'll be able to do that call, and this is how long it takes to go into the car. And that, especially when you are in growth mode, which you and I are constantly in growth mode,
Always
we know
in growth
nothing
mode.
but growth.
Yep.
And that's the other thing as an entrepreneur that I had to learn the hard way. Know your nature.
Yeah.
Know what you're really good at.
Yeah.
So I always ask my team, I say, does this meeting require patience? And the answer is yes. I'm like, I'm probably not a good person for that meeting, actually.
Yeah.
Like, I will
I'm not
delegate
patient.
that, right? Like, unless it's absolutely necessary, if it's like a long, drawn out, like HR meeting, like I could delegate that. But if that meeting